Yes, viewers, I did it again and I got another channel monetized. And this time around, I was able to get 4,000 watch hours, 1K subscribers in the space of 2 weeks. And the main strategy here that I just discovered is I discovered how to increase my average view duration. And when I did that, boom, the algorithm picked my video. So guys, take a look at my screen right now. You can see it is real. You can see it for yourself. I got this channel monetized. Look at here, it is monetized. It is showing dollar. I have to just a kind of cover it a bit. It is showing that this account is monetized, and you can see I got additional 2.6k hours, making a total of 4,000 watch hours. And you can see my subscribers. I was able to get 1,000 subscribers, to tell you that this is real. And the strategy is just to increase your average view duration. And there are 4 main strategies I use to increase my average view duration, and I'm going to share with you the 4 main strategies. And I'm going to put them in step by step, from step 1 to step 4, and you have to follow me down as I take you down through the step. And whichever way you don't understand, you can always drop it in the comment section, and I'm here to answer you and give you a positive reply. Step 1 is to go to your YouTube studio. So let's proceed. This is my YouTube studio here, and then when your YouTube studio open, you click on analytics on the dashboard. This is my analytics, and when you click on your analytics, what you need to do next is to click on trend. Now we are on trend, and then the next thing you need to do is to go to the search bar and then type the particular keyword or the topic you want to create. So let's say I want to create how to get my channel monetized. Let's say that's the topic I want to work on. So I'll just search here and see the result it will pop out. So let's go. How to monetize my channel faster. So you can see on our analytics, the analytics gave us some options of videos that are doing well. The first one is how to get monetized on YouTube under 40 seconds. And when I scroll, you see do this to get monetized on YouTube faster in 2025. And when I scroll again, you see how to monetize a new channel in just 28 days. So let's pick this last one, how to monetize a new YouTube channel in just 28 days. Now what do you do from here? Under this step 1, that you've gone to your analytics and you've done your research, you discover that this video is an 8-minute video with 389.8k views and was done 1 year ago, and this video is still pop up on our YouTube studio analytics. So what you need to do is to model this video. That's step number 2. You are to copy this video like an artist. Do you understand? You copy this video like an artist by modeling it. You copy it like a pro. So you are not going to go and pick everything back to back. What I mean by an artist is that you are going to make adjustment to everything you see on this video, and then you recreate this video, and boom, the analytics is going to pick this particular video. That's step number 2. So now, how do you model this video? How do you copy this video like an artist? Now let's take a look at the thumbnail. First of all, you see how the man make a facial reaction. You are going to do the same. Then secondly, you look at the color of the background. You try to mimic that kind of background, but don't use exactly the background this particular creator have used. You mimic it, and then you design this kind of background. this kind of thumbnail, and then you model where it puts day 28, you model everything, and when it comes out, you have created similar thumbnail. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to download people's thumbnail, creators thumbnail from YouTube, how to download video thumbnail. So when you model this thumbnail, that's that's part of the step 2. Secondly, now you look at the title in this step 2. What you need to do is to get the same title. YouTube doesn't penalize you from copying the same title. This is the title that worked for him, and definitely is going to work for you. Then the other thing you need to do here is you are going to copy the exact tag this particular creator has used in his video. You are going to copy that exact tag that they have used in this video. So, and in my next video, I'm going to show you how to extract tag from YouTube video and then put it in your own particular tag session on when you are uploading your video. I'm going to show you how to extract tag in my next video. So in my next video, like I told you, I'm going to show you how to download a thumbnail. I'm also going to show you how to extract tags. So stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, do well to click the subscribe button so you don't miss my subsequent posts. Then step 3, when you must have modeled the thumbnail, and this is step 3, is a perfect intro. You are going to do a perfect intro in your video. The first 30 seconds of your video will determine whether people will watch or not, because this is where your thumbnail that make people to click should actually represent your video. What your thumbnail said should actually be what is in your video. Your thumbnail should actually represent your video. I emphasize on that, right? Because some of you like creating clickbait thumbnail, and when viewers click and they discover that that's not what is expected of the video, they watch for a few seconds and swipe away, and it tells the algorithm that your video is not relevant, and therefore the algorithm won't suggest your video. Others wouldn't even click at all because they know you for creating a kind of clickbait thumbnail. So your thumbnail should actually represent your video. So the first 30 seconds of your intro should be perfect and match what your thumbnail has promised your audience. You understand? Now, next is you need to trap your audience, because after the first 30 seconds they have seen your perfect intro. What to keep them to watch longer, what to keep the traction is your trap. So, and how do you trap them? First of all, let your video actually give them what they want. That will keep them engaged first, and then in the video you can add a bonus title that at the end of this video definitely you are going to get this, you are going to get that, but you are going to promise them, and you should actually deliver. Don't come on the screen and then say things that are not true. So you are going to give them things that are actually working. So now the trap here is you are going to give them a bonus video that they should watch to the end, and there's a bonus video for them, and that will make them want to see. And then another way of trapping them is by creating a gap in their mind. Like, it is not every of the answers they are willing to get you exposed in the video, so that they can ask questions, and during the process of interacting in the comment section, boom, the algorithm picked your video and then circulate it to or recommend it to various audience. And step number 4, which is the last one, is called the CTA, which is the call to action. All you need to do is that at the end of your video, make sure you always include the call to action. Tell your audience to like, comment and share, and then give their honest opinion about your video. And if they have possible question, tell them to drop it at the comment section. And your CTA or your call to action or invitation for your audience to click or subscribe to your channel should come at the end of your video. Don't just start a video immediately and then you are telling your audience, please do well to click the subscribe button. No, it's very, very wrong. That first impression, it is what determines whether your audience will watch or not. So that first introduction has to be perfect, has to be very okay, in such a way that your audience would want to watch your video. So your call to action should come at the end of your video. And most of the times, to my audience, I will tell them that if you've got value from this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, share, or comment if you have questions. That's how I do to my audience. So guys, this is how I was able to increase my average view duration. And if your audience watched your video and you get a high average view duration, definitely YouTube is going to recommend that particular video, and boom, your video will do it. That was how I was able to explode this channel. I was able to get this 1000 subscribers, 378k views, and 2.6k additional watch hours that skyrocket my channel to hit the 4000 watch hours, and I got that channel monetized. And the secret is increasing the average view duration by prioritizing your audience. If you've learned something from this video, or if I've added value to you, do well to give it a thumbs up. And if you have question at the comment section, don't forget to drop your question at the comment section, and definitely I will reply you. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Do have a lovely day.